Animals and Birds in the Spring Forest, Book 2. It's a second story about little forest fairy Lily. It is spring. The sun is shining, the snow is melting. Little fairy Lily is flying in the forest. She is not smiling. Where are the animals? Let's look for them. First, Lily sees a badger. The badger is sleeping. Wake up, sleepy badger, Lily says. The pretty black and white animal is opening its big eyes. Lily is giving it a white snowdrop. This is for you, she says. The badger is happy. Next, Lily sees a big bear. The bear is sleeping in its cave. Wake up, brown bear, spring is here, Lily says, and gives a crocus. The bear yawns, sniffs the flower, and falls asleep again. The little fairy's laughter rings in the quiet forest like a bell. Then Lily sees a grey hedgehog near the big tree. The hedgehog looks like a small round tangle. It is very quiet. Wake up, Little says softly. The hedgehog is stretching one leg slowly. Lily sits down and gives it a violet. The pink nose is moving and the hedgehog is sneezing funny now. The fairy is laughing happily. Now Lily sees two bees near the beehive. The bees are flying slowly. They are looking for food. Hello, little friends. The flowers are blooming now, Lily says. The bees are buzzing loudly. Lily gives them a lily of the valley. The busy insects are buzzing in the white flowers now. The little fairy is smiling. Then Lily sees three frogs in the river. The big green frog is sitting still on a stone underwater now. Two small frogs are sleeping there at the moment. Wake up, frogs, Lily says loudly. The big frog jumps out of the water and looks at the little fairy. Lily gives it a yellow daffodil. The frog croaks happily. Quack. Now Lily is walking along the river. She sees a funny duck. The duck isn't swimming, it is diving into the water. Hello, duck. Where are you? Lily says cheerfully. The duck is swimming to the little fairy at the moment. It is flapping its wing. Lily gives it a yellow dandelion. The hungry duck is eating the flower. Lily is flying to a big tree now. She sees a black rook on the branch of the tree. The busy rook is building its new nest. Lily gives it some pink cherry blossoms. The blackbird bows politely to the little fairy. Then it puts the blossoms in the nest. Suddenly, Lily hears a gentle song. She sees a beautiful starling on the branch of the cherry tree. This periwinkle is for you, sweet bird, Lily says. Have a nice day. the happy bird songs to the whole forest. Finally, Lily sees a black and white stork. "Welcome back home," Lily says softly. "I have a red tulip for you." The stork looks at little fairy, takes the tulip and flies to its nest. Now Lily is looking around. She is smiling happily. There are many animals in the forest. The birds are singing. The plants are growing. My forest is alive.